Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles here opening up the new NFTs but before we get into that, watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. I got 6 premiums. Yeah, I didn't go too hard on this one. There was a couple of them that I liked, but it is what it is. So let's open up one. We're going to open them straight ahead. Oh, I like the background. Like the front of the card. Alright. Let's see, we got a rare Pennywise, common Beverly, uncommon, common, epic, that's good. Another epic, okay. Common, another common, another common, another common, another common, an uncommon, and a rare. Well, got some epics in there. Okay, not bad. Alright, we'll just open the next one and just keep going. And we got a rare, common, uncommon, 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 common, uncommon, uncommon, epic. I don't think we got that epic. Common, uncommon, common, common, uncommon, and rare. So let's do this one. Yeah, I do like the rain and then it turns to blood. That's pretty cool. We got a series coin. That's a cool series coin. Nice. A rare, common, 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 rare, another rare, common, a rare. Oh, we got a legendary. Henry Bowers. Okay, that one's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, the ones I was looking for was the like zombies looking ones. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Ooh, 2 legendaries into 1. Yeah, This is the one I was looking for. Nice. And our last card is a epic. Nice. Alright. We'll go with this pack. Alright. Got another coin. Common. Common. Uncommon. Yeah, see, this is the... I like that one. And, of course, this one. Another common. Uncommon. Common. Common. Uncommon. Common. Rare. Another rare. Epic. Another rare. Uncommon. And a rare. So not too bad. A rare. Common. Another common. Another common. Uncommon. Common. Uncommon. Rare. Common. Another common. Uncommon. Common. Uncommon. Common. Shoot, this one ain't so good. And the last one is a common. Got one more pack, but I'm gonna go and see how we are doing. We're at 49%. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Quite a bit of epics to go. All right. It's our last pack. Another coin. Common. Uncommon. Common. Uncommon. Common. 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 Uncommon. Epic. Common. Another epic. I don't think we have him. Common. Epic. I'm not sure if we have him. Uncommon and uncommon. Oh, same. No, a common and an uncommon. My bad. Okay. We'll see what that put us at. We are 56% to finish for the royalty. Didn't get the grail, which I'm okay with, because the one I really wanted was this one, which I got, And I would have liked to have gotten that one. But I got that one. This one isn't bad either. And the grill, grill's okay. Alright. So we need 13 of the commons. Uh, 11 of the uncommons. 8 of the rares. And 5 of the epics. So, not bad. Not bad at all. Well, and without further ado, please hit the like button, the notification bell to get notified of the next videos that are coming, and please smash the subscribe button. And mad love to everyone that has subscribed and further ones that are subscribing. Mad love your way. And you all have a good day or a good night. Depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.